Hi, today I have a review of Coloring Heaven new issue, and it's Fairy Tale by Lynn. I think that you're already familiar with very cute and sweet girls by Hannah. But if you don't have any books by Hannah yet, just like me, this issue will be a very good choice for you. We have one picture from the Beauty and the Beast as a Coloring Heaven exclusive picture, and all other designs are also illustrations to different fairy tales. And you know that I have a soft spot to the fairy tales illustrations, so I immediately love this issue. First we have Alice in Wonderland, and maybe I would say that it's a little bit too much of black lines here, but some pictures are just gorgeous. For example, I really love this Mad Tea Party. Look here, we all met here. It's really very fun. And the next one is one of my favorite. It's a cricket play. I love all illustrations which are more detailed, just like this one with Cinderella, or this one. The dress is amazing. Here we have Hansel and Gretel, of course. And this issue will be perfect for coloring with alcohol-based markers, and I am also very eager to use my new Caran d'Ache Neocolor 2 pastels here. And we have here pictures of different difficulty. For example, you can color picture with Little Mermaid, which is a little bit simpler, and to end it maybe in one day. Or you can choose other picture with a lot of details and to spend the whole week coloring it. I think that All Girls by Hannah is very positive, very sweet and very beautiful. This Princess and the Frog is one of my favorite illustrations also. And again with the Wizard of Oz, I think that again a little bit too much of black lines. But in the end we have very beautiful picture. This one. I think it's gorgeous. It's definitely more in my style, in my taste. And in the end we have two pictures by Rapunzel. I would call this issue another great success by Coloring Heaven. And here on the back side there is some information about new discount for the subscription, so if you don't want to miss new issues, you may consider to go to the publisher's site Anthem Publishing and to think about subscription. And Coloring Heaven also have very interesting group on Facebook. I will also leave you a link in the info box. Thank you for watching. I hope that you like this issue. Until the next videos.